Welcome friends, welcome to How to Answer. Don't worry about how to do. Today we are just going to telling you know that how to save a document with PDF.
We are just going to letting you know that first of all visit to Play Store and type camscanner. In camscanner, click on install and install this pretty cute and great camscanner app. After installing, click on open and then click on use now because you don't want to register here. If you want to register, you may click on register. Then click on start scanning camera icon. When you click on camera icon, your camera will be open. And after that, keep it in mind that you should take pictures and scan documents in a shadow place or in a room where light is very good. Then start your flash by clicking on flash icon and then click on torch. Then your flash will be open. After that, you have to just grab your camera phone to the document which you want to scan. Now we want to scan this file. We have clicked on camera icon. It's going to be processed and photo is going to be scanned. Now see, here are a little picture will be shown and automatically crop. Now you have to select the area which you want to crop like that by clicking on these round buttons, round icons. Now I want to take it in a 64 questions. Okay, I don't need this extra space and I'm going to manage it. Yes. Now click on yes icon, right answer, right side. When you click, look at that, it's automatically set up and clean your photograph, and that has been changed into your document. Click on save. You may change or this is your original photo that was lighter. From upper side you may change the quality, change the product as you wish. You should I refer to you that keep use magic color. You may change it in gray, black and white, but keep in mind magic color is my favorite one and it will become favorite of your also. Now click on right button, it is saved into. Now this was our black and white picture. Now we want to capture a color. Now I am going to taking a color photograph to scan. Now that's my flashlight is going to shine in the color. Now I have off the flashlight. Now I am going to clicking on camera icon. That's processing. It has been taken. Photo has been taken. Now it will be converted into document. Now I don't need this SSC. I want to adjust the width and height of the document. Yes, I need this from width. Now I am managing this. Yes. Now click on yes, right side icon. Now look at that, what a quality has been changed, what a real photo has been taken by this great app by scanning. You may change these this picture into any other format like gray, black and white, lighten, original and etc. But that's a great quality and you can't take from any other hardware scanner by computer. Now you want to share these documents with your friends or any other one, then long press on the documents, select the both. Now we have many options like share, like save to gallery, move to folder, any folder we want to delete. Now we want to share these documents, click on share. Then we want to share this
Document as PDF, then click on PDF button and you will be able to share this document in PDF mode.
You will be taken to the part where you want to share. That's we have clicked on image. Now you may send these files to your Gmail and you may share this file with share it, WhatsApp, Bluetooth and any other you want to do that. Now that was our very easy and interesting way to how to scan documents by using mobile phone. Now that was we want to take a recheck again. First of all, click on icon of camera, then click on tick on the photo which you want to scan and tick on camera icon. Keep it in mind that don't move your hands, don't keep waving your hands. Look at that, if you wave the photo will be damaged. Then click back and take a picture again. Now we have taken the picture again. Processing is going on. We are going to fast recap right now. Processing is going on. That's I want to take this picture from this side to here and here. Then click on OK button. Now see, it is not in it is in a side format. Now you want to rotate this, click on rotate icon and that's it, and click on save button. That has been saved. You may change it to in gray, black and white as you wish if you want to do, and I prefer to keep it in magic color and click on save. Now you may share this file with any of your ones by just long pressing it, share and click on image. You may send Gmail, share it and etc. So today we have taught you how to scan a document by using Android mobile phone. Keep it in mind, that's very easy. And thank you for watching. Be with us at How to Earns and keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe us for next coming our videos. Thank you for being with How to Earns.